Liquid nitrogen planetary ball mill BZLNB-502. Supports grinding jar sizes from 50 to 1000 milliliters and maintains precise control temperatures from -60 to -1 degree Celsius. It is ideal for cryogenic milling of pharmaceuticals, polymers, nanopowders, and heat-sensitive materials in research laboratories. Features: wide jar compatibility. Accommodates various sample volumes with flexible jar sizes. Cryogenic temperature control. Maintains ultra-low temperatures for material stability. Dual-speed configuration. Adjustable sun wheel and jar speed for process versatility. Automatic nitrogen cooling. Built-in pressurization for continuous cooling. Efficient heat-sensitive processing. Preserves volatile or delicate materials during grinding.